Put the pedal to the metal. Speed up your English learning. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and fascinating phrase that's often heard in English conversations. Put the pedal to the metal. This expression is a fantastic example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be, and understanding it can add an exciting layer to your language skills. Let's accelerate our learning and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it. The phrase, "put the pedal to the metal," originates from the world of driving. Imagine you're in a car, pushing the gas pedal, the pedal on the floor that makes the car go faster, all the way down to the floor, where the metal is. Literally, it means to drive as fast as possible. However, it's often used metaphorically to mean to start doing something as quickly and effectively as possible. It's a call to action, urging someone to speed up their efforts or to go full speed ahead with their plans. This expression is believed to have come from the 1970s in the United States, a time when car culture was a significant part of the American identity, and muscle cars were all the rage. The phrase captures the essence of speed and efficiency, qualities that were highly valued in that era. Understanding the origin of this phrase helps us appreciate its connotations of urgency and high performance. To better understand how "put the pedal to the metal" is used, let's look at a few examples. In personal goals, this year, I'm really putting the pedal to the metal on learning English. In business, we need to put the pedal to the metal if we want to launch the product by next month. In competitive situations, the team put the pedal to the metal in the second half of the game and won. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal ambition to professional projects and even competitive scenarios. When you want to use "put the pedal to the metal" in conversation or writing, think about situations that involve urgency, when there's a need to hurry or speed things up; determination, when someone is committed to achieving a goal quickly; encouragement, when you want to motivate someone to act swiftly and efficiently. Remember, while it's a versatile phrase, it carries a sense of excitement and intensity, so it's best used in contexts where these feelings are appropriate. And that's a wrap on "Put the Pedal to the Metal." We hope you enjoyed this high-speed journey through one of English's most dynamic expressions. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you're all set to add some velocity to your English conversations. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, put the pedal to the metal in your English language journey. See you in the next video.